Is there ever a moment when you're talking through it with a potential buyer and you can sort of see the light bulb go off where they're like, yeah, this is the one. This is where I need to be.
Yes, it's usually when I force them to get in my car and go for a drive. So, we have a beautiful VR experience in the sales center,
Mhm.
which is something with a company called UPix. We were the first to have this. You can put on a set of Oculus glasses and go into a virtual world, right? And
Ubix
that
is
is a
amazing.
beautiful modern way of looking at things. But I'm also, as much as I'm new school, I'm very old school. I like to take people down the history tour and the new developments. Like I like to show them in person.
Yep.
So I will oftentimes put them in the car and take them into Wynwood and point out what was here then, what's here now.
Yep.
By the way, Ken Griffin bought that building for $180 million.
Yep.
And it used to be a shack, you know. And then also what we were talking about, like you don't know what door goes to where. Sometimes I'll make people get out of the car and we'll walk and we'll look,
Yeah.
hey, walk through this archway and you're suddenly in this beautiful garden that looks like you're in the south of France.
Yes.
You know, those are the things that I think move the needle.